Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I got a video for you today on a 2024 Silverado 1500. This truck is going to be getting a 6.5-inch BDS lift kit with some, I think 22s and 35s, maybe some fuel wheels and maybe some Nitto tires. I didn't look at the build sheet yet, but stay tuned for the build and let me know what you think about the truck. Also, I wanted to throw in a little apology into the video for a guy named James out of Orlando. You know who you are. I'm not going to say your last name on the camera, but he came up last week and got a lift kit done on his truck, and we finished it and he went back home. But the unfortunate part about it was I had to leave early on Thursday because my son's birthday party, and I was planning on coming back in on Friday to refilm or to finish filming the rest of that video so I could post it. And unfortunately, we got snowed out on Friday, so they knew the snowstorm was coming, so they finished his truck early on Friday for him, or Thursday for him. So unfortunately, I didn't get a video of his truck, and I hate that more than anything, because you guys drive all the way from out of state to get a truck lifted. I know you expect to be on the channel, so I just wanted to apologize to him and tell him that I really appreciate the business. Check out this truck though, let me know what you think. Here it is. This is a all white truck. I'm sure I don't see RST badges on it anywhere, but it looks like an RST. Maybe just an LT, but everything's color matched, so that's why I said it looks like an RST. Truck's beautiful. It's about to go under the knife here in just a minute, and I will document the process for you. Thanks for watching. So if you guys are wanting to lift your Silverado, but you still want to be able to drive it every day and have the functionality with it, I recommend this truck. This is it's a beautiful everyday driver setup. You still get that aggressive look on the tires and wheels, and it's a great lift kit that we did on this one too. So I'm going to go over the truck. Let me know what you think about this one. Do you like a bigger build, or do you think this is just right? So I'm going to call this truck a 2024 because I did it again. I didn't go look and see what the year model was on this truck, but I wanted to show you the lift kit, and I'm going to try to do something new today and throw in a little price sheet of what this kit, this job would cost really for you guys. I've been getting a lot of comments about it, and I do read the comments, by the way. So going over this truck first to start out, we have our 6-inch BDS lift kit. BDS is an amazing lift kit. Typically I sell rough country in this size, but for the price difference, BDS is not too much more money, and it comes with these upper control arms. And then this is what they call the Fox snap ring strut. This is the snap ring lift kit is really what it's called, but the kit is adjustable a little bit front. If you put like a big steel bumper on the front like that and it weighs the front down, those snap ring struts are adjustable up a little bit. So it's not something you can throw it, you know, adjust it up 2 more inches like McGoy's, but it's about probably 3/4 of an inch to an inch of adjustment for that weight, you know, issue. This is the 35 12 50 20 Nitto Trail Grappler tire. It's one of the best tires that we sell. It's very, very smooth and long lasting. It's got a little bit of noise to it because it is a mud tire, but it's very, very, it's a very faint noise. We did the 20x10 Fuel Rebel right here. This wheel is awesome. I love the finish of the black with the white paint. Looks amazing. I'm thinking about even doing my Tahoe like that. Right now I have those polished aluminum wheels on it. I'm thinking about going black. The black tinted windows make this truck tie in perfectly on the colors. He's got the rough country steps. They were already on the truck when we started working on it. Very, very clean truck on the inside too. He's got the like light tan color interior with the brown and then the wood grain here. Truck looks phenomenal. It's got a big screen in it. Let's see what year it is. This is a 2023 or 2024. It was made April of 23, so they've taken care of the truck for sure. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. Should we have done anything different? And also, you know where I'm at, Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. If you have any questions or you just want to call and talk to me, my name is Jake. Number here is 678-994-9180. And thanks for watching. All right, so I wanted to take you through real quick. Like, this is the Nitto Trail Grappler tire that we put on this truck. This is the 20x10 Fuel Rebel that we did on the truck. And here's the 6-inch BDS kit with the Fox snap ring shocks. And right here, this is the ticket. This is a Southern Tire estimate. This is what you would get if you called in and got a price on this right now. There's the itemized pricing right there for each item. And at the bottom of the page here, here's your price after tax and install. So just for you guys that don't know, this is what it costs. If you're a regular on my channel, you'll recognize this truck. This is Jesse's truck. He's a friend of mine, customer up here. This truck was on a video a couple weeks ago, and it had all black wheels on it. He just had us send off the wheels and the lift kit to get some powder coat work done. And I wanted to show you how cool it looks. These are the 26 by 14 Hostile Savage wheels. They're forged. The whole wheel was black before, but now he's got the whole center done in white, and I think it looks amazing. Also, we did these center caps from Cap King right here, floaters. He works for the power company, so that's what he decided to put on the design. Also, it has a McGoy's kit. It's black, but he decided to do the spindles in white to kind of match the upper face plates he put on the control arms. I'm sure there's more stuff he's going to do in the future. Maybe he might take the whole lift kit off one day and get that one done in white, but for now, I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you think. Can't get this glare to go off my screen.